Jelly Lean Gummies are being promoted as an easy way to burn fat, boost metabolism, and lose weight without strict dieting. But the real question is whether they actually work or just rely on marketing hype. The product is typically advertised as a fat-burning gummy that supports metabolism, reduces appetite, and helps the body enter a fat-burning mode. Some promotions even claim rapid weight loss in a short period of time, which already raises some concerns. When you look at the science, there are no verified clinical studies proving that Jelly Lean Gummies themselves can burn fat. While some ingredients commonly found in these types of supplements may have small effects on metabolism, they usually only work alongside proper diet and exercise, not on their own. Another issue is that many of these gummy supplements rely heavily on advertising tactics like before and after photos, limited time offers, and exaggerated testimonials. In many cases, users report little to no results, and some even mention problems with refunds or subscriptions. It's also important to understand that real fat loss requires a calorie deficit, and no gummy can replace that. Products that claim you can lose weight quickly without changing your lifestyle are usually overstating their effectiveness. So, does Jelly Lean Gummies actually burn fat? Most likely not in any meaningful way. The bottom line is that this is another overhyped weight loss supplement that may offer minimal support at best, but won't deliver the dramatic results it promises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.